Welcome to this tutorial on how to create new contacts in SuiteDash automatically on receiving a form submission via Google Forms. If you're looking for a way to streamline and automate your contact management process, you have come to the right place. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how to automate the process of creating contacts in SuiteDash using Google Forms. And we can set up this automation without any coding just by a few clicks. So let's dive in. So I'm under Pabbly Connect applications dashboard, and here we are going to create a workflow. For that, just click here on this create workflow button. Here you can provide any suitable name according to you in this name field, and then click on create button and your workflow page will load up. Alright, and here you will find these two modules, the trigger and action, which are the basic building blocks of our automation. So trigger is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the automated consequence or the response of the trigger. So in our use case, we are getting form submissions using Google Forms. That is going to trigger the workflow, and the action would be to add the same contact inside SuiteDash. So here in the trigger, we are going to select the trigger application as Google Forms. Okay, like this, you can just search for it, Google Forms, and then we are going to select the trigger event as new response received. Okay, then we are going to use these instructions and this webhook URL to create a connection with Google Form or the spreadsheet attached with the Google Form. So you can read the instructions. And we have many videos on Google Forms connection in the trigger on our channel. So I'm going to paste the link of a few videos in the description. You can watch that and learn it, learn the connection process, or you can just follow the instructions. After that, we are going to fetch some test response from our Google Form submission, which will be captured here. And in this action step, we are going to connect with SuiteDash. So SuiteDash is our action application. Search for it. And this is a new application, so I'm going to show you how to create the connection. First of all, we are going to select the action event as create contact. After that, click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it will ask for the public ID and secret key of SuiteDash application, which you can find under the profile menu. Let me show you directly. You can just read the steps written here carefully and follow them. So this is my SuiteDash applications integration page. So to reach here, just click on this profile icon like this, and from here you will find this my account section. Under my accounts, you will find the integrations tab. Click on it, and on this page only, on the integrations page, you will find the secure API tab also. Just click on it, and under secure API, you will find your public ID like this. Just copy the public ID and paste it here. Paste it here, and you will find the secret key options as well. So you can click on this add secret key button like this, and here you can provide a new name to the secret key, and your key will be generated like this. Okay, and I have already generated some keys, so I'm going to use these only. So I'm going to use this old key. Just copy the key and paste the key here like this, and click on save, and you'll be connected with SuiteDash. All right. And after getting connected, it will ask to select the role of this contact. So you can select lead, prospect, or client. So you can select anyone. Then it will ask to choose a prefix like Mr., Miss, Mrs., Doctor, Professor. But guys, we do not know who is going to fill the form. It can be a Miss, it can be a Mrs., it can be Mr. or a Doctor. So it is better you ask this thing in the form itself, or if you do not have asked this thing in the form, what you can do, just toggle this map button to on, then erase this field and leave this field blank. Okay, by toggling this map button to on, leave this field blank. That is not a compulsory thing, and you can carry on. Okay, and then it will ask for the first name, last name, email address, and many things. And we are going to fill this data using the data that we have captured from Google Forms test response. So let me show you in an already created workflow. I have already created a workflow for this purpose, and I have connected Google Forms, and I have captured the test response by filling the form manually. I have captured the test response like this. Okay, how you can capture this response? Let me show you here. Just copy this URL and follow the process, and it will start showing waiting for the webhook connections response. So once you follow the steps, you need to fill the form manually once only, and as you fill the form, the response will be captured here like this. Okay, and here you can see I have asked in the form. Let me show you the form as well. I have asked first name, last name, email address, and the phone number, and all these things will be captured here like this: first name, last name, email address, and the phone number. Okay, now to send this data here in SuiteDash, you can map the data in these fields. Let me show you how you can map the data. Okay, so here when you click on the first name field, the previous step will appear here in the drop down. By clicking on it, you can see the data here only. From here, just click on the first name label and map it. Similarly, map the last name label. Okay, similarly for the email address. Right, that's how you can map the data. Okay, after that you can click on, you can just fill all the details if you have, or you can leave these things blank. These are all not compulsory. And we have this save and send test request button. By clicking on it, you can create a new contact inside SuiteDash. Here, let me show you the contact section under the CRM page. All right, so by clicking on save and send test request, a new contact will be created here like this. Okay, so let me just create a new contact here. So guys, you can see in this workflow, I have already created a new contact. I have already checked my connection, and this is the new contact test user I have created. Now we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you do not have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, in real time, it is going to work whenever you are going to fill the form. Let us check our workflow now. I am filling this form here. Okay, and here I'm clicking on submit. You can see the form has been submitted. Now let us check directly in SuiteDash application if we got a new contact created. Okay, so I'm going to my SuiteDash application, and let me refresh the contact section. And here you can see, guys, we got a new contact added here inside SuiteDash with the same details: dummy name and dummy one at Pabbly. This is the same email address and the same things I have entered in the form, and it got added here. This is how it is going to work. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect/pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.